Okay, today we are coming back to my woodworking shop, and the project for today will be a wooden table. I just found on the marketplace piece of glass, half-inch thick, and the measurement for the glass 74.5 by 48.75. So I'm just using this dimension. I'm just gonna make the structure which is gonna hold, this heavy piece of glass. So as I said, 74.5, this is gonna be my length. So I got two pieces 74.5, and I said 48.75 minus 1.5 inches because I cut it out 3/4 and 3/4 on each side. So 3/4 and 3/4 each equals 1.5 inches, and altogether it will give me the width on the table 48.75. And I'm gonna do this with the slide of the angle for the water to drip. So I just set it up my table saw on 10-degree angle, and I rip the top of the 2x4, which gives me, kind of, like a shape. So the table is not gonna be like totally like a horizontal or vertical. It's gonna be with a little bit of the angle. So as I assemble this, it's just gonna be something like this, and this is gonna be my base. And these two notches, this is gonna be for my leg support, and I will see you soon. This is my tabletop. I just put it together. So now you can see why I allow 1.5 inches shorter on the width, because 3/4 notch and 3/4 notch, and put it together with the two screws, those notches and the length, they are for the two legs. And now I am assembling legs. This one is already assembled, so it looks like this. I use the wood filler to fill all of the screws. This is my template pattern to use for the drilling the screws in the same place. I'm gonna assemble this one now, so you can see this is the top piece, both sides and the bottom, and this is the middle piece. And this notch is gonna be for the 2x4, which is gonna keep the even space between the legs and help stabilize and keep in place and in the same distance the legs, in order if somebody wants to pull. So this is gonna hold the two legs together. The table is complete. You can get the closer view. I sand it all around, try to round all of the edges, fill in all the gaps and the holes from the screws. And the last thing, I'm gonna apply 2 coats of this varnish. The table is already outside, all finished. 2 coats of the varnish, 1/2 inch tapered glass, a little bit overhang so the wood is not exposed, and pretty much it for this project. See you next time.